How to make money blogging without selling anything. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 ways how you can start to monetize your blog traffic. The first example I would like to show you is this website by the name of Heightline.com. As you can see, they are talking about Herschel Walker net worth, and the way how they monetize their blog traffic is by simply ad placement. As you can see right here, here is an ad. And if you should scroll down on this page, you will see numerous ads. With this, they are able to get paid by different ad agencies. For example, Google AdSense, or you could sign up with Ezoic. There are numerous ad placement agencies that you can sign up with and start monetizing your ad traffic. A second option you could look into is by becoming an affiliate. With this website, they are an Amazon affiliate. So if I should tap on this link right here that says check price, I will be led to this page on which they are promoting the projector that they were explaining about right here. And if I were to purchase this projector or anything overall on Amazon for the next 30 days, the owner of that website will get a commission. For example, if I were to purchase this projector, they will be getting 4%, which on average would work out to probably about $16. A third option you could look into when you are creating your blog and how you could monetize it is by creating a hybrid blog. For example, this one right here, this is a lovely blog. And the beauty about this blog is not only does the owner of this blog enjoy what they are doing based on their description right here, but they also sell ad placement, as you can see right here, and also they do affiliate programs. As you can see right here, they are signed up to the Amazon affiliate program and other affiliate programs that are related to the content they have written on their blog. So there are numerous ways how you can do this. And if you're wondering if starting a blog talking about your passion will make money, as you can see right here, if I were to go onto SimilarWeb and look on the amount of traffic that the blog earlier is making, as you can see, they are getting over 350,000 monthly visits. Hope you found this video helpful, motivating. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.